All right, so reading the label. Our labels do a pretty good job of giving you some basic information on the units. They vary somewhat by different models. The low profile there at the top, that's the round blue one. That's going to have a model number like you see in the label there. It's going to have model, capacity, serial number, and also the rated output from the actual calibration data. We're going to get a little more detail in terms of how to understand the 1200 series. But basically that's the format you're looking at. You're going to have the the series, which would be a 1200 series, the model size, which correlates to the capacity. In this sense, it's a 1210. There'll be some letters on there which are going to refer to a specific option code. We have a few common codes for those, but if you have a series of letters that don't make sense or you can't find anything on the website, please call the factory. Capacity should be straightforward. That would be either in pounds force or potentially newtons. And then again, the output's going to tell you what kind of load cell it is, if it's in millivolt per volt or if it's amplified. Moving down to the SM, again, similar. You have the model designation first, then the capacity, and then after that typically is where we have our option codes. In this case, it's a -19. The 19 happens to refer to the cable length. But again, if you see extra numbers on your model, you probably want to call in and have us tell you what you've got there if you don't already know. But again, capacity information, which will tell you the expected output, full scale, and also serial. And then for the WMC, that follows a similar format to the SM, where you're going to have the option code at the end of the model number. And again, in this case, this would have a special length cable on it with the same -19.